Is it recording?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So this is weird. I don't remember doing this. Did we just do it? Did we start again? That was a lot of days, so let's start. A show.
You're listening to the
Layla?
and Dada show. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's another day
At home.
at home. We haven't done this in a while.
So I don't remember what we need to say.
We have, we can say whatever you want to say.
Yeah.
It's your
but-
show.
Yeah. So let's start on with a story.
You want to start with the story. How about we try something different?
Okay.
You want to try something different?
How
What'd you eat for dinner?
a taco.
Was it good? What'd you put in it?
Cheese and
And ground beef?
ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
Yeah.
Ground.
Hmm?
It's from the ground?
No, it's not from the ground.
Are you feeding me dirt that tastes good?
Ay, ay.
Don't feed me that. Ever.
Okay, I won't give you dirt beef anymore.
Is that
It's not. Ground beef means it's just ground up. It's like mushed.
with dirt?
Not with dirt. It's just beef.
How about sprinkled
Do you remember where beef comes from? Do
dirt?
you remember where beef comes from?
No.
What animal?
Pig.
Nope.
Cow.
Yeah.
But I thought milk.
Yeah, milk comes from cows too. That's confusing. Hey.
Stop it. You're just being weird.
So I had karate class the other night, and I did it outside, right?
Yep.
And you came out to watch.
Mm-hmm.
That was fun.
Can anybody hear me?
You're... Yes, they can hear you, and they can hear you even louder when you get that close to the microphone.
Okay. So this is how loud I need to get.
Just talk normal.
Okay.
Tell me more about your ground beef.
I
What else did you put in your taco?
don't know. Cheese and ground beef.
And that was it?
Yep.
And was it a hard shell or a soft shell that you put it in?
Soft.
Soft.
The ones I like silly.
Don't hit me. Yeah. We went for a lot of walks this week. Every day this week we went for a walk in the morning.
What are those numbers on there on your screen?
Just how long we're recording for?
But it's saying
Yeah.
it's 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's fine.
How about it's 10, 9,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
blast off. We need people to call in and ask you questions, right?
Mm-hmm.
This show is good. It's funny because you're funny and you're cute. But it's even better when people leave a message. So all they have to do to leave you a message and ask you a question is to go to anchor.fm/Layla Dada.
With a unicorn.
There is a unicorn there. You're right. It's your unicorn that you
Yep.
painted.
We have it on Daddy's window.
Yeah, it's on the windowsill.
But is there a window over under those black things?
No window over there.
But behind that shelf.
No, only the one window you see.
But there's a window. There's a window. Right on the side, and how could you see me?
What do you mean?
There's a little window that is almost.
If you were outside, I would see you outside, but you're in here right next to me.
Oh.
Yeah. So the other day for school, you learned about Q and U, and the Q and the U got married, And for class, you had to get dressed up for a wedding. And what did you dress up as?
Mary Poppins.
Yeah, in the pretty white dress?
I should have got my other fancy dress that is not too long.
Yeah, it was pretty long.
Because
right?
I tripped when I was running. Just pretend running. Like, can I show you?
No, you don't need to show me. Were you
was
wearing your
doing
Mary
like-
Poppins hat?
Yep.
You were?
No.
No, just the dress?
Mom gave me a bun.
Like Mary Poppins? Oh, that's cute.
Just like a normal bun.
And did you wear the tiara?
No.
No.
Because it's falling off that much.
Okay.
I don't really like it.
You haven't FaceTimed your teachers since you saw them for your class. Maybe we should do that tomorrow.
Yeah. But where are they on my call?
On your iPad? I don't know. I'll have to look.
Maybe you can put them on there.
Yeah, maybe.
We can put
They're in your text message, so we can do
put
it.
yeah, but we can put like a crown for Mrs. Salzburg
Oh, okay.
and
A cat for Mrs. Greenberg.
yeah.
Because she has a cat with no fur.
How about if we can't find a lizard for
Oh, a lizard for Mrs. Salzburg. Good idea, because she has a lizard. She has a
Yeah.
gecko.
or a face?
Or a face.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she has kids.
Yeah. So let's wrap this one up. Maybe we can do another show tomorrow.
But it's not really long.
I know. That's fine. We haven't done one in a while, so let's try to keep it short so that people don't get bored and that way they listen to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay? So, everybody needs to what? What do they need to do in order to listen to the next one?
Subscribe.
Yeah. You can subscribe at Apple Podcasts, Google Play, and Spotify.
And a unicorn.
And-
Get to
yeah.
our show.
Okay. So, you have been listening to the
Layla
and Dada
show. Beautiful.